You know, roundabout should be one of the easiest things to deal with. That if the exit that you want is 12 o'clock or before, you go in the left lane. After 12 is the right lane. Now, here, this person, where are they going at this point? Were you expecting that? No, nor us. Now, how about this one? So we're in the left lane. Let's just rewind that slightly. The road markings clearly say, remember, think of the roundabout as a clock, 3, 6, 9, and 12. And if the exit is after 12, we need the right-hand lane. Here, the road markings clearly say, if you're going right, get in that lane. This lane is for left or straight ahead. So we're going to go right, third exit. So the car is in the left lane, the car stays in the left lane, and the car goes right from the left lane. This is what happens when you don't teach roundabouts as a clock face, 3, 6, 9, and 12. Nobody knows what lane they should be in. It should be one of the easiest things in the world. 12 o'clock or before, left lane. After 12, right-hand lane.